Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by studying the photo closely and noting three things: landmarks, shadows, and elevation clues. Once done, crop to remove distractions and estimate camera height. This narrows viewing angle. Next, open Google Maps and launch Street View while keeping a compass app handy so you can match bearing. Make sure to record the photo's apparent sun direction. That helps limit possible locations. Begin scanning areas that contain the same landmark shapes and orientations right away. You now perform detailed comparisons. Set Street View heading to the photo's bearing and mimic camera tilt to match horizon height. As you pan, focus on unique elements, roof lines, windows, lampposts, because small repetitive features confirm a match. Once you spot candidates, use distance measuring tools and estimate focal length by comparing apparent sizes. This tells you whether you're too close or far. If multiple spots look similar, capture screenshots and note GPS coordinates so you can compare side by side later. You finish by confirming the best match. Compare exact roof lines, shadow lengths, and scale using screenshots or a local photo database. Once done, validate with a timestamped social post or ask locals in community groups to confirm place names. If things go wrong, expand the search radius, test different times of day, and flip between mirrored views to catch reversed features. Finally, document the confirmed GPS, the method you used, and a brief note on confidence so you can reproduce the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.